Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your HomeKit hub, HomePod, Apple TV, or iPad is online and updated. Once done, update iOS and device firmware so Matter support is present. This prevents pairing errors. Next, power the Matter accessory and enable Thread or Wi-Fi per the manufacturer. You need the pairing code or QR ready. Do this now so you can move smoothly into the actual pairing flow without backtracking. You'll pair the accessory in the Home app. Tap Add Accessory, then scan the Matter QR or type the code. The app guides you step by step. Once paired, assign a room and a clear name so Siri recognizes it and set initial automations or zones. If the device uses Thread, make sure your Thread border router is visible. Otherwise, it may fall back to Wi-Fi. Doing these configuration steps now reduces later confusion and keeps automations reliable. You finish by testing controls. Use Siri commands, toggle the accessory in the Home app, and run any automations to confirm behavior. Once satisfied, lock down access permissions for family members and schedule firmware updates so security stays current. If something goes wrong, for example, pairing stalls or the device is unresponsive, reset the accessory per the manual, reboot the hub, and reattempt pairing. Often a firmware mismatch or network issue is the culprit, so make sure both firmware and Wi-Fi are stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.